Hello, boys and girls. We have a new video today, and we are going to start with decimals. But before we do that, before we start doing that, uh, I need you to please hype up, and get ready and make sure you guys are ready for this video. And we are going to have more and more fun as videos coming along more and more. Okay, now before we start this video, what is the seventh? We had the question from last time. What is the seventh largest waterfalls drop in the world? It's also in Norway, actually. And the seventh is this one here, Tystrengane, which is in Norway. Tisestringen, Tisestringen in Norway, which is 2,120 feet drop from the top to the bottom of the waterfall. Okay, it is 2,120 feet. Now, the next time, what is the eighth? Number eight, you can see it here on the camera. Eighth, this is eighth in the world. What is the eighth? And the is going to be answered next video. Now, since we just done with the percentages last set of videos, I need you please do those following exercises. What is 10% of 30? What is 25% of 50? What is 50% of 200? What is 5% of 25? What is 75% of 300? Okay, remember we have so many exercises, and I showed you how to do this. So please practice. Solve them on a pad and a pencil, and I know you guys are smart and you are going to get this. Okay, so remember, I want to give you a hint. 10% of 30, so 10 over what times 30 over what, and then we multiply, right? So that is your hint now, and we go from there. Now, if you have a question, okay, email me at ismat at zoomintomath.com. I would love to answer your question. Please keep it short because I might have so many emails from so many people. So bear with me if I answer a little bit slowly. Okay, ismat at zoomintomath.com. Now, let's go back to our lesson for today, which is going to be starting decimals. Okay. Decimals. Okay. We got the dollar table. We got the quarters and dimes last time, remember? Okay. Adding and subtracting decimals. Okay. Let's see what is the decimal in general, all whole numbers. For example, 225. Let's put this here. Okay, let's say 225 one second here. Okay, if we have number 225, for example, okay, the decimal point, see this number here, 225 right here. Okay, actually it has decimal point 0.00. Any number has decimal point 0.00. So that is your decimal number. Now, let's say another number. What about 23? Okay, if we have number 23, actually 23 has decimal point 0.00. So 23 is, you can write it down as 23.00. And you can do as many zeros to the right as much as possible after the decimal point. And we are going to write and add and subtract decimal points, decimal numbers. Okay, now if we have number 225, okay, so 200 is what? 200 is in the hundreds place. 200 is in the hundredths place, hundredth place, right? Two, this two here is in the 10th place, and the 5 here is in the ones place. Okay, okay, so 23 here, this 20, this 22 here is in the tens place, and 3 is in the ones place. Okay, so that's just information. Now if we have this number here, I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger number. Okay, so this 6, 7, 8, 9 decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from left here to the right, okay, 6 is in the 1000th place, 7 is in the hundredth place, 8 in the 10th place, and 9 is in the ones place, right? Okay, because 6,000, right? So it's in thousand place. 700, 8, 9. So 7 is in the hundredth place, and 8 is in the 10th place, and 9 is in the ones place. Okay, now, okay, let's add and subtract decimals. Now, by placing, let's have number 456 decimal point 34 plus 521 decimal point 78. You just line them up and add them up like any other numbers addition. So 4 plus 8 is 12, and 1 on hand, and 1 plus 3 is 4, and 7 is 11. 1 over on hand, so 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 1 is 8, and then 5 plus 2 is 7, and 4 plus 5 is 9. So the decimal point, line it up with the all the numbers, this way you don't get confused. So that's how you add decimal numbers. Now let's practice. What is 314 0.675 plus 229.541? So you add them up. Practice. Please put them on a scratch paper and add them up. Okay, how about subtraction? Subtraction, the same thing. 521.78 minus 456.34. You just line the decimal point on top of each other, and then you subtract. Okay, and then you practice. 521.78 minus 456.34 is 65.44. When I say point, I mean decimal point. Okay, so Allah I will see you next video.